Okay, so here we have my ripple counters and the Multisim. So the top two, or the top one right here, is a DFF, and so is this one. This DFF counter up here counts up from 0 to 15. It's about to hit 15 in a second. It just hit 15. So 8, 9, 11, 10, 9, and so forth, all the way to 15. It's in hex. Okay, so this one obviously does the same thing, except it is built different and it counts down from 15 to 0. And it is also a DFF. Then these last two right here are both JKFF. It counts from 0 to 15. Sat 7, it's going to make its way to 15 in a second. And this second one down here is a counts down from 15 to 0 using the JKFF counter. So yeah, these are my flip-flop ripple counters.